Hi, I'm Owen Honey, your local DIY enthusiast from Builders. And if you're looking for bathroom taps, mixers, or DIY bathroom accessories, Builders has a wide selection that has got you covered. Let's go have a look what they've got in store. Choosing the right mixer or tap for your bathroom is never easy. Thankfully, Builders offers such a wide range, you're sure to find what you're looking for to complete the look of your bathroom. If you follow decor trends, you'll know that bronze is hot for taps and mixers in 2020. If that's what you're after, Builders can help. And apart from Builders' own comprehensive range, they also stock all the leading brands and looks to help you achieve the look you're after in your bathroom. From spindles and nipples to cover plates and everything in between, Builders has what you need to get it done. So now you know where to go when it comes to looking for taps, mixers and accessories for your bathroom. Builders has got you covered. And also don't forget, you can use their online store to get safe and convenient delivery right to your doorstep. Visit their website www.builders.co.za or pop into your local Builders. Get to Builders, get it done.